Imagine an SUV that combines the elegance of a luxury sedan, the versatility of a family hauler, and the cutting-edge technology of a futuristic concept car. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a journey into the future with the 2025 Infiniti QX60, a vehicle that promises to redefine what a luxury SUV can be. While Infiniti has not yet released official details about the 2025 model, we can dream together about what this next-generation QX60 might bring to the table. Picture this: a sleek, aerodynamic exterior that builds on Infiniti's signature design language, with a bold double-arch grille, sharp LED headlights, and flowing lines that exude sophistication. The 2025 QX60 could feature an even more refined silhouette, with a focus on reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency without compromising on style. The body might incorporate lightweight materials like aluminum and high-strength steel, making it lighter and more agile than ever before. Step inside, and you'd be greeted by a cabin that's a masterpiece of modern luxury. Imagine premium leather seats with intricate stitching, real wood or metal accents, and ambient lighting that creates a serene atmosphere. The dashboard could feature a dual-screen infotainment system, with a large touchscreen for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, and a smaller screen for climate control and other functions. The 2025 QX60 might also introduce advanced voice recognition and gesture controls, allowing you to interact with the car in a more intuitive way. But the real magic lies in the technology. The 2025 Infiniti QX60 could come equipped with the latest in driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. It might also feature Infiniti's ProPilot Assist, a semi-autonomous driving system that can handle stop-and-go traffic and keep the car centered in its lane on the highway. Safety would be a top priority, with features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert coming standard. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 QX60 could be powered by a refined version of Infiniti's current 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing around 295 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth shifting 9-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking even more efficiency, Infiniti might introduce a hybrid or plug-in hybrid variant, combining the V6 engine with an electric motor to deliver improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. The hybrid model could offer all-electric driving for short distances, making it perfect for city commutes. The 2025 QX60 would also likely feature an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring confident handling in all weather conditions. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the open highway, the QX60 would offer a comfortable and composed ride, thanks to its adaptive suspension system. Now, let's address some myths and facts. Some might say that luxury SUVs like the QX60 are all about style and lack substance. But the truth is, the QX60 has always been a well-rounded vehicle, offering a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. Others might argue that Infiniti lags behind its competitors in terms of technology. However, the 2025 QX60 could change that narrative, with cutting-edge features that rival those of brands like Lexus, Acura, and BMW. The 2025 Infiniti QX60 wouldn't just be a mode of transportation. It would be an experience. It would be a vehicle that caters to the needs of modern families, offering ample space for passengers and cargo, while also providing the luxury and technology that discerning buyers demand. It would be a car that makes every journey, whether it's a daily commute or a cross-country road trip, something to look forward to. So, what do you think? Would the 2025 Infiniti QX60 be the ultimate luxury SUV, or do you have another favorite in mind? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of automotive innovation. Until next time, keep dreaming big, because the future of driving is closer than you think.